ways are better. I'm not on the fence. Who distributes joy? Who sets the soul free? Who can forgive sin? Jesus, who died for me. Yes, it's true that I've been captured by your love. I've been captured by your grace. I've been covered by your blood. I was lost, but now I'm found. Yes, it's true you hold me down. Jesus, here's my white flag. I surrender right now. Jesus, here's my white flag. I surrender right now.
I surrender right now. I surrender right now.
Jesus, here's my white flag. I surrender right now. Right now. Right now. I surrender right now. Run away or go take a hiatus. When the descendant of David's proven he is the greatest. You see, he mediates, he is the mediator. Now I am so free. What a sweet savior.
Hey sir, would you do me a favor and say something wise for the camera?
Wise in what terms?
In anything.
Anything?
Something wise, something that you can share and spread the knowledge with the entire world.
Oh, right?
Yeah, about life.
Okay. You know, sometimes life can give you holes like just as that you are gonna walk into, and you do not make those holes, but it's up to you to cover them up.
Ship was a wreck. I couldn't pay the debt, and I lost all my treasure. So I hit the deck. When I saw you better, I knew I'd never run, and I'm staying forever.
So I'm up in the attic doing some work, and yeah, it's pretty crazy up here.
Jesus, here's my white flag. I surrender right now.
I surrender right now. I surrender right now.
Jesus, here's my white flag.